In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your social accounts to Canva and publish directly from your designs. We'll start right inside Canva. Open any design you're working on. This can be a photo, a video, a presentation, or anything else. It doesn't matter which one you choose, the connection process is the same. If you're mid-edit, it's a good idea to save your changes first so nothing gets lost. Think of this as preparing your workspace so you can share or import content without interrupting your creative flow. Next, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Share. This button is your hub for anything related to publishing, exporting, or collaborating. If your window is small, you might see additional options under a More menu, but Share will always be there. Opening this panel gives you a streamlined list of where your design can go. Inside the Share panel, scroll down to find the platforms you can connect. You'll see options like Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and cloud services such as Google Drive or Dropbox for import and export. Pick the platform you want to use. If you're planning to post directly, choose the social channel you'll publish to. If you're moving files back and forth, select a storage service instead. Take a moment to double-check you're choosing the correct account destination before you proceed. When you select a platform, Canva guides you through the connection. For Instagram or Facebook, a pop-up will open. Click. Continue, log into your account, and approve access. There's no QR code in this flow. If you manage a Facebook page, make sure your account has the right permissions. For TikTok, Canva will display a QR code. Open the TikTok app on your phone, scan the code, and tap Authorize to finish. For YouTube or Pinterest, you'll see a standard login pop-up. Sign in and click Allow to grant permissions. If your browser blocks pop-ups, enable them temporarily so the login window can appear. Always confirm you're connecting the intended account, especially if you use multiple profiles. Once the connection is complete, Canva will show connected next to that platform. From now on, you can publish straight from the Share menu without leaving your design. Depending on the platform, you can also import media to use in your projects. Before posting, preview your design, check aspect ratios, and add captions or descriptions as needed. If you ever need to switch accounts later, you can disconnect and reconnect through the same Share flow.